Hey everybody, what's going on? Remi Sovran here. Today's video I want to talk about the trap bar deadlift versus the barbell deadlift. And if you're someone who may deadlift with lower back pain, or if you're maybe recovering from an injury that occurred in your lower back, your lower spine, or whatever it is, and you're looking to perform any deadlifts, I just want to talk about the difference kind of between the barbell deadlift and the trap bar deadlift and how it may affect you in terms of your lower back. Okay, firstly I just want to mention that if you are someone that does suffer from severe lower back pain, or any sort of back pain, or if deadlifts or this type of exercises causes you lower back pain, then you want to avoid it at all costs. Now, however, if you are someone that may have recovered from some sort of lower back issue, and you're looking to kind of get back into deadlifting, or if you do deadlift, you want to kind of consider the differences between the barbell and trap bar deadlift and some of the implications it has on your lower back. So what I have here is two individuals. I have one that is basically lifting a barbell, and the other one's performing a trap bar deadlift. And so the three things I want to look at here is the shoulder position, the spinal position, and also the force on the lower back. So firstly, we'll talk about the shoulder position. So as you can see with the individual performing the barbell deadlift, it's going to be harder to maintain more of a neutral shoulder positioning because they're lifting the bar from the front. So the bar is placed out in front, and so they're lifting it from the front, so they're pulling that weight. And it's going to be harder to maintain more of a neutral position. So what ends up happening is the back here, it could round easier as opposed to a trap bar deadlift. So when you have the trap bar deadlift, it's easier to maintain a neutral shoulder position because the weight is, you're pulling the weight upwards, but the weight is out to the side. It's on the side of your body, so it's more of a neutral position. Secondly, guys, what I want to talk about now is your spinal positioning. So with the barbell deadlift, when an individual is lifting, they can get more leverage, and they can also get more trunk flexion occurring when they go to pick up the bar because the bar is out in front of them as opposed to being out on their side. So when the bar is out on the side, you're going to get less leverage, and therefore you're going to maintain more of it's going to be easier to kind of maintain more of a neutral position as opposed to the barbell deadlift. And now, when we talk about the force in the lower back, is that we know that when we get more leverage or we get more trunk flexion occurring, we can get more force put on our discs, specifically within that lower back region, especially when we're pulling a lot of weight. It could have a lot of implications. So as you can see here, there would be less stress placed on the lower back, and specifically on the discs, when we're performing a trap bar deadlift. So that's just something to kind of consider. If you are looking to perform a deadlift, or you're looking to get back into deadlifting after having a lower back injury of some sort, try performing the trap bar deadlift first and see how that goes, because it's a little bit easier to perform, and it's a little bit easier on the lower back specifically as opposed to the barbell. So guys, that's just kind of my quick tip for you guys if you're suffering from lower back pain, or if you have any lower back issues or anything like that, or you're just looking to kind of prevent any injuries to your lower back and you want to deadlift. Something to consider, guys. And so if you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. And also, if you want to see more fitness tips or fitness videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, so all the best and take care.